Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable end-to-end encryption on your WhatsApp application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, let's get back to the video. To enable your end-to-end encryption on your WhatsApp application, firstly open your WhatsApp on your device and click on three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings option. Click on the Chats. Here you can choose your theme or chat wallpaper as well. Tap on Chat Backup. There you can see an option that says End-to-end Encrypted Backup. Click on it. Tap on Turn On. This is how you can enable your end-to-end encryption on your WhatsApp application easily and quickly just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.